Hi, what's up, Anchor coin holder? What's going on? Today video is be very important for all Anchor coin holders because as you can see at this time 8.35% the price is increased now. So that's mean my friends to Anchor will completely on the trending and the price is hour by hour, minute by minute increasing. If we check out my friends the last 1 hour, last 7 days my friends, and last 24 hour my friend result, so definitely we will better understand now. So this time as you can see in last 1 hour 0.09% profit, and last 1 day 3.84% prices increase, in last 7 days 3.53% prices increase now. So that's mean my friends Anchor will completely my friends going to the moon now, and absolutely I'm 100% sure to if the price will increase like that, so they will easily hit now 0.1 USD dollar and 0.2 USD dollar. This is our latest and absolutely very low target. I hope they will easily hit this now, but please if holder are starting holding, that's all depends on holder. So thanks for watching my all Anchor coin holder. I'm 100% sure to upcoming time the price is increased because I already predicted this coin. I already do technical analysis and I already collaborate with I already conversation my friend if you check out. So on Instagram I collaborate my friend, I conversation my friend on especially experts, so therefore they will also tell us to upcoming time there is a 70% chance to Anchor price will increase now. So I hope my friend everything is going good, but kindly if you want to get a profit now, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.